And we're gonna start off with Kiara, okay?
Oh, okay.
So let me put the secret word on your head. It's not
My
avocado.
eyes are closed.
All right, so you can't look at the stream.
Hi.
Here is the word. And
What?
ladies, all right, go ahead, Ame, and give a hint. I'm not gonna
what
lie.
am I? Feet?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's a good hint.
Feet. Ashi. Ina, what am I?
Heart.
Heart. Feet, heart, okay. Kokoro. Shinzo. Okay. Gura? What am I?
Somebody.
Something good, please.
Big.
Oh, feet, heart, big. The fuck?
Me next.
All right, let's go, Ame. Your turn.
Oh, wait,
Member.
we can have more than one? Oh, okay.
Yeah,
Number?
we're going all the way through.
Member.
Member?
Ah.
Feet? Wait, feet, heart, no, wait, what was the one that Gura said?
Big.
Big, feet, heart, big, member.
Can I go?
Go, Ina.
Pig.
Wait.
Pig? Okay, Akai Hato, I was gonna say it. Yeah, Akai Hato.
All right, there should be a 5-second limit, but alrighty. Okay, Ina, you got the
Ida
point.
got it.
It's a hard game.
Okay.
All right, Abe's turn. Here is your word. Ladies.
Gura, why did you say big? Did you say big? What'd you
Yeah,
say?
not me, my
Big
big
red heart.
red
Red
heart.
heart.
Big red heart.
I guess it makes sense. That's not English. Shut up! Yes, it is.
Oh,
All right. First off, Kiara, go.
Well, you don't have this in your word, so re-zero.
Okay.
okay.
All right, go, Ina. Your turn.
Next.
Gambare.
Slime.
Okay.
Oh, okay.
5,
Okay.
4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, girl.
Coma.
Nani?
Coma.
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 As a reincarnation or something.
Well, okay, that's the problem, Kelly, because you put a Japanese word on there.
But it's a Japanese
I know
word.
it.
It's English
Okay,
language.
well, it's a Japanese word that everyone knows. What is it?
Isekai.
Okay.
Isekai.
See, Ame knew that word. Ame knew that word. Point for Gura.
What is that English?
Whatever.
英語じゃなかったな。そうやな。
Here's the next one. Now begin, Kiara.
Okay. Flat.
Okay. Amelia, go.
English.
Ooh.
Wait.
Eh?
Okay.
Okay.
Gura.
Office.
Oh.
5,
Huh?
4,
Office.
3, 2, 1. Kiara.
Pants.
Pants.
Oh wait, can I guess?
Yes.
Yes, please.
H-chan.
Ping pong. 1 point for Kiara.
English threw me off. Let's go.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, ladies, here's the next word. Now, here are the words you can't use. Ready? Amelia, start.
Okay. Viewers.
Okay.
Viewers.
Nice. Okay. Ina.
Okay. Listeners.
Gura. Gambare.
Fuji.
Fuji.
What?
Okay.
You pushed me in a very different direction, but I'm gonna guess now with that, hoping that's right. No Sakis?
Boo boo.
No, okay. Because listeners, viewers, and Fuji, because I think Pekora Senpai's collaboration is with the with something that's behind Fuji, whatever.
Oh.
You're overthinking it. You're overthinking it. Viewers and Fuji. Okay, continue, please.
Not bad.
Ame next.
Ame next. What's your word, Ame?
Brothers.
Brothers. Listeners, viewers, Fuji, and brothers.
3, 2,
No idea.
1. Ina!
Damn it.
That was pretty good though.
Brothers.
Super chat.
Nice.
Listeners, viewers,
2, 1.
Uh-oh.
Gura!
Mario. What? What?
I get it. It's like a different look at the topic. I get
it.
I mean, technically. Okay, I won't say it. Viewers, listeners, Fuji. No.
Alright.
Try.
Universal Studios Japan.
Okay, Ame, your turn.
Fan base.
Oh.
That's one word, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. HOLOLYBE.
Boo-boo.
No! Can I give up?
Yeah, you can pass. You can give up. No one gets the point, though.
Okay, what the fuck is it?
Give me the point.
Japan Bros? Why
The
Mario?
answer is JP Bros.
JP
Mario Bros. I don't know.
JP Bros. Mama, shogunai.
Sorry,
I mean, technically, Nosugis are part of JP Bros, so...
I'm the guess.
Partial points.
Yeah.
Sorry.
All right. Now,
True.
next up, Amelia, close your eyes. Here we go. Here is the word. And here are the no-go words that you cannot use. And don't make a comment about it being English or not. Shut up. Shut up. Now let's begin with Gura this time.
Dev.
Dev.
Developers.
That's smart.
That's a good one.
Alrighty.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. Ina.
You know.
Maybe she doesn't know.
Maybe she
probably doesn't know.
I probably wouldn't really know what you mean with that either.
What do you mean? Your turn, Kiara.
Obsession.
Ooh.
Okay.
But I know that
One.
word alone is not enough. But it's a good base word for the others.
All right, Gura. What's your hint?
Simulator.
Oh.
Hollow Earth?
Think about all the words you have so far.
What are the previous words?
All right, Ina. Ina, what's your word?
Obsession.
Stalker.
Oh.
Huh? Oshinoko.
No. Boo boo.
I'ma remember the last word I said?
Obsession.
My next word is love.
Achikoi.
Boo boo.
You're getting there. You're getting there.
All right, Gura, let's go.
Knife. Knife? Maybe I don't know it.
Yeah, but you know it. You know it.
You do.
You know it.
For me?
Yeah.
Maybe this will lead you in the right direction. Tsundere.
Oh,
Is that
okay.
okay?
Maybe I'll get on the next one.
Okay. You remember my love and my obsession? Now here
okay.
comes boyfriend.
Oh, Kobo?
Are you using the other words? Are you...
Alright, I'll pass. Let's move on.
The answer is yandere.
Oh!
This is the last one for Gura.
They're not boring. They're fun.
The windmill ones. Good luck. All right, Ina, start.
Food.
Ooh.
Ame.
Curd. What? Curd.
C-U-R-D, curd.
Ah, curd. Okay.
Kiara.
Substitute.
Substitute.
A food that is a curd that
Yes,
is
substitute.
used as a substitution? What?
Yeah.
Makes sense.
Tofu?
Bingo! Chihuahua winner chicken dinner.
Wow!